Rohan, yeah, before he said the last line, he was good.
लड़कियों के साथ sex
Yeah.
करें।
I don't want to say. Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
रोहन
I don't know what to say.
रोहन
I don't know what to say.
रोहन
Be quiet, Rohan. I didn't know what to say.
रोहन
Up with you. I didn't know what to say.
स्वागत है आपका प्यार की नगरी में, जहां हर कदम पर दिल फेक आशिक मिलते हैं, पर इस देश में आशिकों को कभी आशिकी करते आई ही कहाँ है। तो ये कार्यक्रम अंधा प्यार हम आपके पास लाते हैं,
जहाँ पे 3 आशिकों को 3 मौके मिलेंगे एक सुंदरी को अपनी माशूका बनाने का। और कहने को सुंदरता मायने नहीं रखती, लेकिन यहाँ पे सही में नहीं रखती,
क्योंकि तीनों आशिक और सुंदरी की आंखों में एक पर्दा होगा। सुंदरी को उसका आशिक पसंद करने में हम सब मिलके उनकी मदद करेंगे, और पर्दा हटने के बाद उसको अपना आशिक पहचानना होगा। उसे पहचानने के बाद ही हम देखेंगे कि कितना अंधा प्यार और कितना अंधा पैसा सही में मायने रखता है। बाकी प्यार की तरह ज्यादा दिमाग न लगाइए, इस कार्यक्रम का आनंद उठाइए।
तो बेसिकली किस किस को कॉन्सेप्ट पता है शो आज क्या है? वेरी नाइस, थैंक यू बैंगलोर एजुकेटेड ऑडियंस, वेरी नाइस। एक तो मैं आप लोगों को बता दूं, कौन कौन यहाँ पे एक्चुअल में बचपन से बैंगलोर में रहा है? कोई नहीं, वेरी नाइस। मैं आपको बता दूं, शो हिंदी में होगा। और तुम लोग को लग रहा है ये जोक है? नहीं, ये सेफ्टी मेजर है। अब मैं बताता हूं, मैं बैंगलोर लैंड करता हूं, मेरे से पहले एक्सेंट लैंड करता है मेरा सीधा एकदम ही एयरपोर्ट आते ही साथ, यू कमिंग सर। एकदम ही कोई लड़की के साथ मैं सेक्स कर रहा हूं बैंगलोर में, यू कमिंग मैम, यू कम, एकदम ही बढ़िया, एकदम ही उनकी लैंग्वेज में बात। तो we'll start the show. You guys ready to start the show? Yes. You need to be very warm. Start clapping for my panelists for the day. Kaustubh Agarwal, Gautam Goyal, and Aneri Thakkar. Yes, very nice guys. Hello. Start clapping for Aneri one time, guys. Yes, Aneri के लिए ताली बजाएंगे यार. Yes. But Aneri, what's your dating life like?
Yeah, I'm single completely as of now and not looking for anything.
What is completely single?
People of Bangalore know what's not completely single.
I'm from Bangalore.
We'll call the contestant. Yes, you guys are excited. Yes, Rama, आप हाथ उठा रहे हो.
what is your relationship status?
What is my relationship status? अगर आप से if you are single, I'm single. If you are committed, I'm committed. मेरा बहुत सिंपल लॉजिक है. You saw my profile on what? Bumble? अरे Bumble से मैं टिकट बेचता हूँ. हाँ, मैं Bumble से टिकट बेचता हूँ. We'll call upon the contestant. You guys are ready? Yes. Yes, start clapping for the contestant of the day. Yes, start clapping for Ritika. Hi. आराम से बैठ जाओ. हाँ, बैठ सुनो. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Your hands are very soft.
Hi Ritika, how are you?
I was doing fine until now, then I touched your hand, so
Now it's better or like what?
I mean, he said he was soft, so
So you want like ऐसे मजदूर के हाथ?
श्रिका, आपका कैसा लाइफ चल रहा है? बढ़िया.
मेरा हाँ मतलब like every Bangalorean चल रहा है. I'm very single. That's why I am here.
You're very single?
Yeah.
Okay, so very single, completely single, partially single,
And single.
and single. What is very single?
Very single is when you have no prospects also, no one in line also, no potential prospects.
No
Prospects?
Yeah.
आप ये सेल्स कर रहे हो?
There are some potential prospects, but you find their hands very soft.
I mean, that's why they are not potential prospects.
कैसा लगता है समतानी शो?
I would like to change the contestant. Please come on the stage. Fuck you.
What happened, Vivek? You can't handle a dominant girl.
Look at me. Even if I would be dominant, you'd say it's submissive. Like, I'll tell you the worst part is कि मैंने जब उसका हाथ पकड़ा ना, उसने जम से पकड़ा और मेरी गांड फट गई. मैंने कहा अरे वो ऐसा ऐसे उसने इस हिसाब से पकड़ा कि मेरे को पता चला कि ये फेमिनिज्म में बिलीव करती है.
Oh, Vivek, you also believe in feminism, no?
If you will earn enough, I will.
Okay, because you also keep calling Londes चूतिया तो फिर
लौंडे को चूतिया बोलना फेमिनिज्म है? फिर तो मेरी माँ बचपन से फेमिनिस्ट है. पता नहीं क्यों बर्तन धो रही है करके.
No, I mean, you have just your love language is roasting, right? So have you been somewhere in a relationship where this roasting has gone a little too far and
So yeah, it went to an extent that it became very toxic, and in my head I was just like roasting, but it was attacking his insecurities. So,
what was his insecurity?
Soft hands. What insecurities?
I mean, थोड़ा personality कम था.
Yeah, but what is the metric for personality? Like how do you
Like they should be funny.
Okay.
Like not Vivek type, like witty smutty.
What a great choice!
I'll just love to say that now I know why your love language is roasting. मैं तो पॉजिटिव ही देखूंगा. मैंने कुछ गलत बोला क्या आपको रितिका?
नहीं, but आप I
मैंने
love
आपको बम्बल पे लेफ्ट स्वाइप किया क्या?
नहीं,
यार,
आप
sorry यार.
I love you बहुत बोलते हैं पर.
तो I love you.
अरे भाई साहब.
one person found it very relatable.
जो भी थी I love you.
ऐसी हंसना
But
हमें
यार,
चाहिए.
इससे-
YouTube पे ना ऐसे आवाज आती है, ये कौन हंस रहा था, है ना? वो
कॉस्टो की बहन. लव यू यार.
लव दैट लाफ.
ये तो सही में बहुत अच्छी लाफ थी यार. बट लव यू बोलने में क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
See, if you keep saying it, then it has no value.
So the thing is कि I think all this while since my childhood I was rejected for not having enough personality and soft hands. So nobody ever loved me. So I assumed everyone needs love. So I say love you to everyone. So they actually figure out there is someone at least loving them, if not themselves or anyone else.
That's why.
Oh, बहनचोद ओ का रुमाल क्या है ये?
That is beautiful.
Yeah.
Where did you read it from?
आपके फॉर्म में आपका टाइप है कॉकी बॉयज.
कॉकी बॉयज टाइप है इनका.
मतलब उनको I mean, they should see me and they should become like a one-woman man.
You want to fix a person? Wow.
Fix a fuck boy, yeah.
You want to fix a boy?
Boy.
Wow, arranged marriage written all over you.
But Ritika, like, which is the weirdest date you've ever been on?
Weird. Oh, it's
Mike.
हाँ,
Yeah, yeah, sorry.
क्लास में थे आप. माइक बहुत पास से पड़ गए, थोड़ा जोर से ही बोलो क्योंकि
Okay.
वैसे ही देश में औरतों की आवाज दबी हुई है. यार ये इतना बढ़िया अच्छा समय रहना बोलता तो तुम लोग वाह रैपट मारूंगा तो वाह ओ माय गॉड कश्मीरी वाइब्स है जो है. रैपट मारूंगा इतना बढ़िया जोक था.
और अपना जबलपुरिया कर रहा है तब दिक्कत है.
So a weird date was when so I asked the guy what his goal was in life. He told me his goal was to be a father, and that little bit cringed me out.
Did he mention that he wants to become a father of your kid?
No, like just a father, and like his aim in life is to be a father.
But that's a nice
Yeah,
aim to
that's
have.
very-
Tell me one thing, any guys in the audience, if your like girl, let's say for example wife is earning 10 lakhs per month, would you want to be a stay home dad? Why not? हाँ भाई ज्यादा चाहिए.
कोई ज्यादा-
शक्ल देख 10,000 रुपए कमा ले वो बड़ी बात है. ये बोलो क्या ज्यादा चाहिए भाई. आप इधर आओ स्टेज पे आओ. 10,000 बैठ स्टेज पे आओ घूम के. भाई आप तो फादर दिख भी रहे हो. यहाँ वाला कैमरा कहाँ गया? मेरे कैमरे कहाँ गए? उसकी शक्ल दिखानी है मेरे को. ये इसकी शक्ल वहां से बुलवाया है. ये बंदा बोल रहा है
Specially
भाई चलेगा ना. ये हम सिर्फ YouTube पे डालेंगे. ठीक है. अगर कोई पत्नी 10 लाख रुपए महीना कमाती है, ये है आपका राजकुमार. ये वो 3 लड़कियां देख रही हैं हमको 10 लाख कमाने के लिए क्या चाहिए. ये सर चलेगा ना. एक बार चलिए ताली बजाएंगे यार. यस वेरी नाइस. We'll start calling the guys, but start clapping for Ritika for
Ritika,
inviting
it's
us.
wonderful. That's great stuff.
We'll invite the guys now. Yes. Start clapping for. मैं भी आता हूँ. Start clapping for Rohan one time, guys. Yes.
हमें लगानी पड़ेगी कहीं और की क्लैप.
आना कुछ नहीं है. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start
Hi
Rohan bhai.
guys, my name is Rohan Dias. I'm a nice Catholic boy with curly hair. You know, what more could you want? You know, can't want anything else. 6'1", 70 kgs. You know, so I'm trying to gain a little bit of weight. You know, but you know, I love coffee, love gourmet coffee, and also I am great at gaslighting. Unmatched with the gaslighting. You know. It's great. Likes, I like books, you know, I like to write. I like philosophy, you know, I like to travel. Dislikes, cheating on you. That's what I dislike.
On you.
Particularly, yes.
On an unrelated note, Rohan. Rohan, do you ever want to be a father?
Do I ever want to be a father? Yeah, but only by mistake, I think. That's not.
Boy 101. Become a father only by mistake. We have someone who can fix you.
लेकिन आपने बिल्कुल WWE कार्ड्स की तरह बताया था।
Height
70 किलो का हूँ मैं और पहलवानी कंपटीशन में बिल्कुल ही सारी चीजें बता दी जो पहले होनी चाहिए ना, सारी चेकलिस्ट फॉर अ गर्ल फॉर अ फर्स्ट डेट। लड़कियां वैसे भी ऐसे करके देखा ना तुमने, कॉस्ट्यूम आया था तब हैं क्या आ गया।
Very nice. Start clapping for Rohan one time, man. Very nice.
Very good introduction.
I think Shubham will go in next 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start by Shubham.
So, my name is Shubham and I am a dating coach.
Very wrong place to be at. But go on.
Okay, I have a lot of traumas and that's the perfect recipe to become a dating coach. That is why I am a dating coach. You know, in our childhood, we end up becoming the parents of our parents. And that's exactly what I did all my life. Now, after becoming an adult, I am able to become a child again. So that's why I'm here.
Opposite of father. I'll ask you one question, भाई. I'll try to figure out. एक लड़की है, उसको प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वो फकबॉय को ठीक करना चाहती है. ये कैसे ठीक होती है प्रॉब्लम?
फक करके.
ये डेटिंग कोच में है दलाल है भाई. ये कहता है डेटिंग कोच.
Dating coach coming here, what made you come here? Because you wanted clients or you wanted your...
I wanted Vivek.
You wanted Vivek. Oh my.
Sorry, but I just got to know my hands are soft.
What's your weirdest date experience?
The girl was actually a guy.
Yeah.
Dating coach, guys.
How do you
बाद से ना ये जो एडम्स एप्पल है ना देखने लग गया मैं, मेरे को पता चल गया.
How did you find out that she was a guy? She was smart, or what?
Yes.
He said
Exactly, got it. So I just approached someone randomly and she was cute and she asked me
he was cute.
he ended up asking me my Instagram and I was like तो देखा तब जाके पता चला ओ समझ गया मैं. बस बोला कि ठीक है मैं आता हूँ वॉशरूम जाके थोड़ा सा.
How did you escape from the washroom?
There was a security guard over there. I asked him for help.
कि मुझे डर लग रहा है, मुझे वो मर्द मेरा पीछा कर वो मर्द मेरी गांड फाड़ना चाहता है. सोचो शुभम को बोले आर यू इनटू,
मेरी गांड फट चुकी है और फाड़ना चाह रहा है.
भाई सोचो शुभम ऐसा हो जाए आपके साथ, वो बंदी बोलती है आपको आर यू इनटू BDSM और आप हाँ कहते घर जाते और वो डिल्डो ले आती है आपको क्या आप
खुद का ही लेके आती है.
मेरे पास ऑलरेडी पड़ा हुआ था. मैं
डिल्डो आपके पास था?
ओह सो यू कैन एनीवेयर फक योरसेल्फ. दैट्स ग्रेट.
डिल्डो था भाई, स्ट्रैप ऑन नहीं था.
You can fuck yourself with a dildo also, bro.
But I don't.
Okay.
So you,
At least
तो
you-
आप एक सेकेंड, आपके साथ कौन कौन रहता है?
मैं और मेरी तन्हाई.
ओह
तो आप तनाई पे डिल्डो यूज करते हो?
तन्हाई नाम था डिल्डो का यार.
क्या तनाई डिल्डो का नाम?
ये सही बोल रहा.
लिखा हुआ है
तन्हाई नाम रखूंगा मैं उसका.
Very nice, very nice. Hi Aaron, hi Aaron. Hi. Hi. अरे ओ कोई यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा लग रहा है Aaron को लेके जाएगी कोई. ठीक है, we'll start the timer for Aaron. Yes. 5, 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Rodrigues. I am a professional football player, an actor, and a fitness coach. So me, I am a person who really knows what I want in life, whether it's love, whether it's life, anywhere in between. So, and you can find me always working on myself, helping people to become the better versions of themselves. I'm here to find someone who's as adventurous as me, who can match my energy, and maybe, just maybe, keep me on my toes. I'm here to understand.
वो एडवेंचर कीप ऑन योर टोज पे वो हो गए. हाँ. क्यों आपको बुंड फड़वाने का शौक है सर? ये मतलब कीप ऑन योर टोज ऐसा भी होता है कि आप सो रहे हो, एकदम से उठे और बहनचो चक्कू पड़ रहे हैं कि बहनचो किससे बातें कर रहा है तू? फोन में बैग टॉयलेट में डाल.
एडवेंचरस ट्रैकिंग होता, तू कौन सा जा रहा है भाई?
तुझे मेरा पता नहीं है भाई.
But very nice, dude. I start laughing for Aaron one time.
All three guys.
Fucking hot football player. I think I wish I was Ritika tonight.
Then शुभम ले जाता भाई तुझे.
और फिर बोलता देखो मैं डिल्डो कैसे यूज करता हूँ.
और मेरी तनाई कहाँ है तू?
भाई शुभम का ये सुन ये बहुत भयंकर है. Ever got hurt while getting physical with someone, or the weirdest thing you like had during intercourse?
Yeah.
My condom tore with a prostitute, and she said never mind. Shubham. Shubham.
So we had gone on this adventure, and we happened to go to this area in Kamnahalli with one of my friends, and he said that ये ना spa वगैरह जो होते हैं मसाज पार्लर टाइप के, वहाँ पे ना एक्चुअली कुछ और चलता है अंदर. वही करते करते लाइक बीच में फट गया, एंड आई लाइक अरे ये तो फट गया. तो उसने बोला ठीक है फट ही गया है तो फिर लेट्स कंटिन्यू,
छोड़ थोड़ी देंगे. अच्छा.
सो यार.
और फिर आपने वो टेस्ट वेस्ट कराया उसने? आपने उसने बोला वेलकम टू एड्स क्लब. आपको बोला
वेलकम टू एड्स क्लब?
टेस्ट ऑब्वियसली करवाया है भाई. मेरी फट गई थी बहुत, मतलब उससे ज्यादा मेरी फट गई थी, मतलब वो चीज जो फटी थी उससे ज्यादा.
Dude, but your body count is more than 100. वो कह रही 100 लोग ही नहीं है बैंगलोर में. जो इसके साथ
20 साल की उम्र से डेटिंग कोच हूँ.
20 साल की उम्र से डेटिंग कोच भाई. तो 100 बॉडी काउंट में आपको नहीं लगता कि दिस इज रॉन्ग?
भाई रॉन्ग तो है ही, मतलब
ठीक है कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मैंने एक्चुअली बहुत नीचे नंबर डाला था ताकि थोड़ा बिलीवेबल लगे.
या तो अच्छा तो
बहुत नीचे नंबर डाला ताकि बिलीवेबल लगे.
भाई ये प्रोफेशनल चुदक्कड़ है सही में. ये 100 करे तभी तो प्रोफेशनल ने बोला नेवर माइंड. ये बोला तू अपनी देख बहन चोद. तुझे मेरा नहीं पता. हल्के में ले रही है क्या?
कोचेस डोंट प्ले.
जब से कोचिंग शुरू की है तब से नहीं.
अच्छा तब से छोड़ दिया सब.
Pro bono में था.
So how long have been a coach for? I'm sorry.
So pro bono 10 years. Last 3 months back I started charging.
This 100 number is before 10 years.
भाई एक बार फिर से समझाना, मेरे को भी नहीं समझ आया.
अरे पिछले 10 साल से मैं प्रो बोनो में कोचिंग कर रहा था.
ठीक है.
3 महीने पहले मैंने पेड कोचिंग स्टार्ट की, तब से मैं ये.
अच्छा 3 महीने से आपका 100 नहीं है?
हाँ.
अच्छा प्रो बोनो में आप चुत्ते ही थे क्या मतलब? डेटिंग कोच क्लाइंट आ जाओ. जल्दी करो, दूसरा वाला भी खड़ा है.
मोड ऑफ पेमेंट एनल.
डेटिंग कोच तो सिर्फ लड़कों के लिए हो ना मैं.
अच्छा सिर्फ लड़कों, तो फिर तो पक्का है भाई. ये 100 बॉडी काउंट लड़कों का है इसका.
भाई ये भी पूछा था हमने.
Body count में how many men have you? 0.
That's lying.
इसका लग रहा है लाई. लड़के बोल रही झूठ.
लड़के बोल रहे हम भी थे.
एक लौंडा बोल रहा है मैं इसकी तनाई बनना चाहता हूँ. और वो लड़का गौतम है. ठीक है भाई. मेरा बॉडी काउंट 0 है. आज रात को 1 करवा दोगे?
1 रात में नहीं होता यार, कम से कम.
But how much do you charge for coaching? Like what is
How much do you charge?
So
now
ये मैं लाइफ कोचिंग करवाता हूँ इंटरनली. तो तुम्हारा लाइक जो माइंडसेट है वो शिफ्ट करवाऊंगा पहले.
internal body internal
माइंड शिफ्ट चेंज करवाऊंगा.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली. माइंडसेट चेंज करना होता
देख
है.
तू उसको छोड़ दे और मेरे साथ आ जा. That's a mind shift. That's a mind shift.
Okay, but dude, how much do you charge? It was the question.
अभी तो 1 लाख.
6,000.
अभी तो
भाई इसके लिए 6000 बहुत ज्यादा है भाई.
Forget about them. Forget about them. Shubham. Forget about
I
them.
charge 1 lakh for
One, 1 lakh?
5 sessions, 1 hour each.
Wow.
Yeah.
कोई बंदा बोलता है ये सब तो ठीक है, लेते कितना हो?
जो clients होते हैं generally like these are IT toppers and all like IITians, NITians.
that makes sense.
उनको जरूरत होती है ना ज़्यादा.
Makes sense.
So that is a lifetime membership. Group coaching call हर week मिलती है. सिर्फ 1-on-1 5.
Wait, you have a call with random boys every week? Okay.
Random boys, my students.
Your students, okay.
बैंचो ये कौन सा आश्रम चल रहा है भाई?
अरे भाई
Misho, Osho,
ये कैसा है भाई? बैंचो तू स्टूडेंट कैसे तुझे टीचर बोलते जब तू
क्यों चल रहा है?
नहीं यार मतलब they are not things that people I teach them how to talk like properly.
हाँ अच्छा मैं तो ऐसे बोलूँ और दल्ले सर कैसे हो आप?
ठीक है यार अपनी अपनी सोच है कई लोग वैसे भी
No,
सोचते हैं.
they don't get it. They don't get it, Shubham. I get it. I get what you're
I get
saying.
it, yes.
I get
I like
it.
him.
Yeah, I.
Dude,
Yeah, you pay him, no. 1 lakh, you'll pay, no.
Do one thing, no, Gautam. 4 months, na?
Yeah.
Might not work.
Yeah.
Pay him 50,000 right now.
No. I mean, I'm still. Maybe we'll meet later. But
But start live with Shubham one time. Very nice.
what a guy. What a guy.
Aaron Gadar type assets. You know what I mean.
हाँ
Yeah,
Please
must
tell
have
us, Aaron, we
assets.
don't know what you mean.
Yeah.
घर गाड़ी तो नहीं है पक्का.
हाँ वो तो लड़कियां देखती हैं.
हाँ Aaron so yeah.
Assets. I think most of them over here know what I mean, right?
No, we don't. No, we don't, right? No, not even 1%.
Okay. Assets. I would say a woman who looks, for me, should be a little bit curvy. Got good
What a
things.
nice way of saying it.
Yeah, that's the point. Fitness coach, so a little bit fit. My hands need things to play with, so.
You play football. That's handball. You play football. Do you not know the rules?
My leg works, but
What do you kick boobs?
ये गोलकीपर है ना?
और गोल तो सबसे बढ़िया शुभम ही करता है. I feel like Aaron's 100 body count would actually be very like believable.
Yeah.
Aaron, what's your body count like?
38.
I mean, the fact that you know the real number.
Dude, he's like Ronaldo.
Yeah.
इस सीजन में 38 ठीक है.
भाई 38 लेकिन इतना एग्जैक्ट
38 is very exact, dude.
Do you have a photo of all of them in a big board in your house?
Dude, he's
Like Jeffrey Dahmer?
ये कहीं पे सेक्स करने के बाद निकलता है आसाम 7.8. वो लड़की बोल रही है यार ये बैंगलोर पे 9.9 क्या है? कहती यू डोंट नो एक लड़का जो 1 लाख रुपए लेता है.
But how do you know the exact number? Do you have a fond memory of every one of them?
Exact number I would say is because this person that I was dating, I had to like give her an exact count on who all I was.
Oh
Wow.
took that
So I
excessively-
wrote on notes all the names one by one, and
Just like such a fuckboy.
Don't use that word.
Such a dude, I think you are the kind of boy Ritika would want to like make a
Yeah,
father.
such a fuckboy. That's like मैं बता के.
हाँ रितिका भाई
Ritika would love to make a father out of you, bhai.
But how did that relationship go progress after you showed her that 38 women you?
जो पूरी क्लास चोद गया
Yeah.
हद हो गई है भाई 10th B holy 38
But how did she react after that?
that's 37 more than me
And 38 more than me.
हाँ बट यार 38
दोनों को मेरी कोचिंग की जरूरत है.
भाई आप बिना लाख लिए मैं ले रहा हूँ आपकी. ये आप वीडियो जब देखोगे ना YouTube पे उस दिन आप 100 का बॉडी काउंट एक ऊपर कर देना. क्योंकि जब चुदे हो आप ये लोग भी बैंगलोर भी पढ़े लिखे नहीं. जब तक चुदे नहीं आया ना इन लोग का था कि भाई एक बार चुप तो बोलो भाई. ये मेरी ऑडियंस. सॉरी गौतम.
No. Come on, man. I love
Gautam,
that.
every time I say a cuss word, Gautam is like,
No.
like, come on, Gautam.
Come on, show यार, man, show. Mother show यार, बैंक के
kind of.
My first applause break was on that. So sad. Like there was you got hurt while getting physical with someone, right? You've written a story here that you slept while getting a blowjob.
Slept while getting a blowjob, dude. Was she
wasn't
that bad?
great. Yeah, bro.
It was not that great.
Yeah.
क्या मतलब ये
Okay, you lost a lot of fans right now.
I'm just glad कि blowjob मिल रहा है लोगों को.
Yeah.
और उसमें भी
उसमें भी सो रहे हैं.
और नीचे लोरी गाड़ी दी क्या भाई?
Because भाई, this is the first time I've seen a guy sleeping with a girl while getting a blowjob.
बॉडी काउंट भी तो 38 है तभी
Body count 38.
सिलेक्ट कर सकता है वो, ऐसे तुम्हारा
भाई
नहीं.
हाँ.
हाँ ओ लेकिन ऐसा क्या था कि आपको नींद आ गई और फिर मतलब वो तब भी करती नहीं, फिर आपको क्या क्या किया उन्होंने? या उन्होंने ऐसे किया कि डोंट यू डाई ऑन मी, ऐसे किया क्या किया?
Like an army.
भाई ये पहला blowjob था जहाँ पे सही में heaven पे पहुँच गया लौंडा.
You drunk or something like that?
I came after an intense football session, so I was actually
Oh,
tired.
okay.
And next day she woke up saying that you slept her while I was giving a blow. And I was like, oh, it's okay.
What?
You said
सोच भी तुम ही बोल लो.
And that was 36.
Ritika, what are your thoughts on like turning this fuckboy into a father?
In the starting, he seemed nice, football athlete, but as he kept talking more and more.
I would like to introduce you the concept of men.
ये तो है भाई, अगर गूंगा आदमी हो ना आप बेस्ट रहोगे.
हाँ भाई, गूंगा आदमी का बॉडी काउंट मेरे को लग रहा है सही में 100 के ऊपर हो सकता है. But Ritika, any questions to Aaron or Shubham up until now? We'll go to Rohan now because
The crowd favorite Rohan.
yeah, the crowds. I'll be very honest. कोई लड़की random, you don't disappoint us, बहन. उसने तेरे को देखा भी नहीं, अभी से एक्सपेक्टेशन है तेरे को. ये क्या औरतें होती है भाई? Are you completely single? ठीक है. Any questions to Rohan or like Shubham or Aaron by any chance, Ritika?
Yeah, out of the Shubham. I think,
Shubham.
yeah. So out of the
You would like to talk to him?
No, I'm asking you a question.
Okay.
So out of the 100 body count, how many of them are prostitutes?
That's a great question.
Great question.
I would want to know.
I didn't count any of the prostitutes.
So there were a lot.
No, I didn't
Okay.
count any of the prostitutes.
Okay, so if you add the prostitute,
Prostitute की कच्ची लोली थी.
आपने जब सेंचुरी पूरी करी तो आपने हेलमेट वेलमेट उतारा कुछ किया?
he took his condom out. He took his condom out.
I think 4, 5. That's around.
और वो फटा हुआ कॉन्डम था. Rohan, hi Rohan. Sorry for
Hi.
yeah, dude.
Hi. Is there anyone on the left side of me?
No.
No.
Tanhai. But dude, I'll be very honest. See, this is what men are all about. शुभम और आर्यन जब तक बोल रहे थे उन लोग हार गए. रोहन चुप होके लीड कर रहा है भाई. I'll be very honest. Listening is important.
Yes.
Yes,
I've also heard
so.
that.
I've also heard. Rohan, how are you, Rohan? Man, how's your
I'm
life?
24. My life is great.
Oh, fucking yes, dude. You've been to US as well, right?
Yeah.
How was US, dude?
It was great. I studied there. I studied writing.
You studied writing.
Yeah.
Isn't writing already there? What is there to
So what did you study in LKG, UKG? Rohan, in one of the answers you wrote that like physical qualities you like in a person, hot bod and nice face, right? Isn't that objectifying a woman?
Is the question is that objectifying a woman? Yes.
Oh.
Is that the question? Yeah. Answer is yes.
Dude, I'll be very honest, Rohan is witty as fuck, bro.
Yeah.
Ritika, I think your type is around the corner.
No, he's written, what are your red flags polyamory? Like, do you believe in polyamory in general?
No, I thought they were asking what are your, like, not my red flags, but if a girl says she's polyamorous.
Oh, so your red flag is communication gap.
Yes.
So, what are your red flag? You don't want a girl who's polyamorous.
Yeah, I want to keep it a little grey,
to-
a little bit.
Just to be very specific, Rohan, I'm from Jabalpur. So, can you please explain to my Jabalpur audience what polyamory is?
Polyamory, I think polyamory.
ठीक है मादर. ठीक है. What is polyamory, Rohan?
I think it's polyamory is when people want to communicate that they're seeing other people instead of just cheating like regular, like regular people just cheat, and these They're suddenly
Regular
saying
people
like,
just cheat.
yeah, they're like, oh, I want to tell you that I'm having sex with this other guy, with Aaron or whatever. I don't want to, you know.
I gave him a
You
pinch and he
just,
slept.
you know.
Have you cheated on someone, Rohan?
No.
Be honest.
Not that they know of.
No. I have to commit first, not to cheat on someone.
भाई लौंडे जितना बोलते हो छूते ही हैं
24 का ही तो है यार
24 का आई थिंक 24 में कमिटमेंट देना जरूरी नहीं है रितिका व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स ऑन पॉलीएमरी
I would not do it. But
Oh, perfect.
let others.
Yeah, you just cheat like a regular person, right? It's not like so fucking tough. So just lie a little bit.
I think I'm gonna kiss Rohan at least once tonight. Rohan, if you have a dating course where you charge 1 lakh for sex, I would love to buy it from you.
मैं तो
You
मीट
just
बोल
seem-
नहीं सकती.
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरे एक्स से ज्यादा क्यूट एस रोहन की होगी Is it just me or you can feel that, है ना? Do you like to
No,
check
it's
it out?
you are feeling that, bro.
I feel like that. Let's check it out, dude. Rohan, would you mind showing your ass?
Pants are gonna loose.
Yeah. Loose, okay.
वो भी करने लगेगा
I'm not a footballer. I just.
Sure.
रोहन में बहुत वैसे करा कि उसने ऐस दिखाने लगा एक्चुअली लूज है ना
Squat.
Squad.
Yeah. Not in front of Shubham, dude. Like.
Trauma relived.
Dude, I think.
Okay, get up. There's some money on the stage. You can pick it up after you.
I'll be very honest, Tanya. This is better than yours.
Thought we were here for
Tanya
Ritika.
is my ex.
Oh, okay.
The camera, not any random. The worst part is मैं एकदम से कैमरे की तरफ गया तो वहाँ पे उसकी मम्मी बैठी थी. I'm like, sorry ma'am. रोहन, यहाँ पे पेरेंट्स भी यहाँ पे से गाना दिखा रहे हो, पागल हो क्या? Is this the way to fucking like?
Okay, so Aaron, you are making sweet love to your lady in your house, and your dad, who's me, walks in.
And
Okay.
you are sleeping while getting a blowjob.
Okay. So coming in.
Coming.
Aaron, बेटा. दोनों उठ जाओ.
दोनों उठ जाओ.
एरन कह रहे वहां से एक्टिंग कर रहा है सोने की
एरन भी कर रहा है, लड़की भी कर रही है.
भाई ये अच्छा है
अच्छा.
Aaron, what are you doing in my house? Is this the kind of behavior?
एक सेकंड प्लीज आप बताओ एरन.
Dad, this is the girl that I love of my life.
All the bad blowjobs.
I didn't say that you gave me a bad blowjob, so
Are you talking to me like that?
no.
your dad
Suddenly Gautam is like बाप हूँ तेरा.
Explain yourself.
Explain what I'm doing.
Yeah. I have never done that before.
What?
Your mother. I have not told you about your mother.
I feel sorry for you, Dad. I think you should sit and watch.
Okay,
what's
can you step outside?
कह रहे sit and watch
Sit and watch me.
Okay, continue, guys.
Start laughing for Aaron again.
I think he handled it
Ritika, who do you think is leading?
The first one.
First one. एक सेकंड
रोहन,
माइक पे बोलो.
रोहन.
रोहन.
Yeah.
जिसने गाना दिखा यहाँ पे.
Oh, नहीं दिखी भाई.
उसने देखी रात को.
नहीं.
5 4 3 2 1 Go on, Rohan.
So I wrote down and they asked me in this form. I wrote down, I'm in love with you, is what I wrote down. But you guys think it's not a good pickup line, I know already. But let me give you the rationale right behind this. If you're seeing, maybe if you're trying to have sex with, let's say 6 girls, right? Let's say this is a theoretical, not 38, not 100, 6. Let's keep it down. Let's keep our goal. 6 girls. You say I love you to all of them. And then at the same time, not at the same physical time, but in the same time, and then you slowly pull away. They think they've won. They think they're in a higher position leverage wise, but then slowly they keep coming back. Right? 6, only 6, not 45 or whatever.
Acha, so you try to be vulnerable while trying to say, and then you want the girl to like have higher power, so she likes you, and then you're like fuck it, ये तो मैं 6 और के साथ कर रहा हूँ.
Yes.
Push pull game, yeah.
Push pull game.
Push pull game. Yes.
It feels like आपके साथ हुआ है.
मुझे एक चीज समझनी है पिकअप लाइन कैसे हो गई आई थिंक आई एम इन लव विद यू मतलब और फिर उसको बता भी रहा है कि आई एम थिंक ये तुझे लग रहा है मैं तुझे बोल रहा हूँ सिर्फ ये और लड़कियां हैं
I think now Rohan is not leading. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Shubham, jaldi.
So, Ritika, I have a question to ask you.
Yeah.
Do you know there are two very beautiful flowers on your face? Can you name them for me?
I don't know.
Just think and name them for me, no? If you can.
Did you use this on a prostitute also?
पहली बार शुभम को लड़की मिली जिसके पास दिमाग है.
अच्छा, actually वो tulips थे.
हाँ वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ उसका
Because you know one of my love languages is physical touch. I would actually want to just touch your hand and then let that energy do the talking. Right?
ओह ओके
तू रोहन को टच कर राइट में.
Rohan, no.
तू रोहन को टच कर.
लेकिन यार इसकी ना पिकअप लाइन ठीक थी व्हाट आर
Pickup
द
line
टू
क्या है?
न्यू
ठीक है तो
I can feel my asshole loosening up already. It's like I'm shaking.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
go on.
I am no photographer, but I can picture you and I together.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Okay. And closing line, I need 30 seconds closing.
So this. So.
सो गया
सो गया.
तेरे तुमने लाइट बंद करी हुई तब से
नहीं बताओ sorry. I go on man, sorry.
I came here looking for as I mentioned, a good woman, not a girl, not anyone else, a good woman, a lady who can lead, and yeah, looking forward to have that and see where this goes.
I think this is a nice one. Wow. I think suddenly Aaron is leading. I don't know how.
That's not that thing.
Imagine
तो बोला ही था.
audience क्या लगता है? We'll try to see. Ritika, do you want to select or like do you want the audience to cheer? Audience would be better, I feel.
Is it? I just want to say, in Bangalore, so many boys are there. You chose the most red flag boys with the most problematic issues.
See, they chose the most truthful ones. उन्होंने सच्चे लोगों को चुना है, बाकी सारे वैसे ही हैं.
Is it? I know because I roasted you. That's why you're doing this to me. Yeah.
So am I the right match? I'll be very honest, these guys are good looking. Like I think Aaron was nice, dude. Rohan was nice. Rohan was trying to be witty for you.
Rohan, yeah, before he said the last line, he was
Share
good.
it, क्योंकि साथ sex
I
Yeah.
don't know what to say. Okay, I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, Rohan,
I don't know what to say.
Rohan.
I don't know what to say.
Rohan,
Be quiet, Rohan.
I don't know what to say.
Rohan.
Up with you. I didn't know what to say.
Rohan.
Kiss me, dude, baby.
Kiss, lip kiss. Nah, dude. Rohan, just say I love you to Ritika.
I love you, Ritika.
If you take, I think शुभम तो हार रहा है. पहले जो कंफर्म है वो कर देते हैं. ठीक है. If you think Rohan won this round, the whole spectrum of like impressing Ritika, make a noise. Not bad. Who do you think Aaron? Start clapping for Aaron one time, man. Okay. Irrespective of the blowjob sleeping wala thing, I think Aaron is actually very nice, dude. And I'll be and the best part is Aaron actually is the fopper you want to change. Right? 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
start by.
Hi, Ritika. Hello.
Yes.
Ask me whatever you want to ask.
Oh, very nice. Which area do you live in?
I live in Hormao.
What? Where is that?
Okay, it's near Kamanhalli, not near the Kamanhalli that he mentioned. Where do you stay?
I live out of Bangalore only.
Oh, long distance.
Yes. Slow down, huh? First we'll talk.
Okay.
First have a conversation.
Oh, he slows down very well.
Yeah. Okay, what are, other than curves, what is something you look for in a woman?
I am looking for someone who can lead. So if you can drown me, keep me
So you're
humble.
submissive.
I'm dominant in other places, but like submissive where I have to be. Yeah.
Oh, fuck, dude.
So submissive we fall asleep.
And Rohan,
Hey, shut up, bro.
Rohan, shut the fuck up. You lost.
I think it's good.
lost.
Okay, whatever.
And
But
because
I think last वाला line बहुत perfect था. उस पे scene cut करते हैं. Yes, scene guys. Yes. Start clapping for all the three guys one time, man. एक बार सब मेरे को help. By the way, तीनों एक बार कैमरे की तरफ देखो. हम तीनों लोग very nice. Shubham, to what? You just have to guess the guy that you liked the most, or at least the audience liked. If you guess that, you both get 25k. Okay, 25,000. If you guys don't, then जो दो लौंडे rejected हैं उनको मिल जाएगा 25,000. ठीक है? और आपको पता है 25,000 कहाँ पे जाने शुभम के? You cannot ask any questions. Audience, please चुप रहे. अबे बात कर रहे. क्या कर रहे हैं? उधर बात नहीं करनी, चुप रहना है.
I know this one is Shubham.
अच्छा जानती थी तू इसको? अच्छा गोश्त करा हुआ है इससे तुझे?
ओ भाई राउंड 2 के लिए आया था भाई.
ये राउंड 2 के लिए है और यहाँ पे पूरी ऑडियंस ने तेरे को गोश्त किया है. अच्छा ये यही है तो तू बताया क्यों नहीं? मेरे को क्या पता. तो गाइस देखो शो हमारा रियल है. तो यू हैव टू गेस कि रोहन कौन है इनमें से और आयरन कौन है. इफ यू गेस द आयरन यू गाइस विन, अदरवाइज रोहन विंस. एनीवन कुड बी रोहन एंड कुड बी. आज सोच किसका बेटर होगा.
I think this one is... Wait.
हाँ.
This one is Rohan.
This one is Rohan and that one is Aaron.
Yes.
Think again. Audience can help. उससे बोल लोग से पूछ ले.
This one is Rohan.
This one is Rohan.
Yeah.
क्या लग रहा है मतलब?
That one is Aaron, guys. Start clapping for Aaron and Ritika one time. Question being कि do you guys would go out on a date if we sponsor it? It's a very new concept. आपने कभी नहीं देखा होगा ऐसा कहीं YouTube पे कि 4 लोग बैठे हों blindfold हो लोगों पे. ये आपने इंटरनेट पे कहीं नहीं देखा होगा. ये मेरा पूरा ओरिजिनल कॉन्सेप्ट है. As a Sindhi, I would want to be a father if the girl is earning 10 lakhs per month.
हाँ मतलब अब क्यों भाई, मैं तो घर के सारे काम करने लग जाऊंगा भाई.
मैं खुद पोछा मारूंगा भाई.
हाँ.
और तू ये भी देखना फिर घर पे भाई के साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर लेगा. वो लाइक थैंक गॉड इसने मेरे को लेफ्ट किया. उसकी एक्सप्रेशन पे आया कि थैंक गॉड. मैम दीज आर जस्ट जोक्स. भाई के साथ तो मैं वैसे भी टाइम स्पेंड कर रहा.
So this is the last round of अंधा प्यार. एंड सिंस लव स्टोरी का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट होता है पैसा, तुम दोनों को एक चिट दी जाएगी एंड एक मार्कर ही दी जाएगी क्योंकि हमारे पास एक ही मार्कर है. एंड दोनों को यू गाइज हैव टू राइट सिंपली अ डॉलर साइन और अ हार्ट साइन ऑन द चिट. यू कैन चूज विच वन टू राइट एंड यू गाइज कैन गेट 2 to 3 minutes टू लाइक डिस्कस अमॉन्ग योरसेल्व्स कि तुम्हें क्या करना है. अगर दोनों ने हार्ट लिखा तो 50,000 का कैश प्राइस विल बी डिवाइडेड अमॉन्ग यू टू 25 ईच. अगर दोनों ने, एक ने हार्ट लिखा और एक ने डॉलर साइन लिखा, तो इट विल बी गिवन टू द पर्सन हु हैज रिटन अ डॉलर साइन. थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट, डॉलर साइन मत लिखना, रुपीज साइन लिखना है फॉर इंडिया. बट लास्ट वाले में वाइस वर्सा रहेगा कि जिसने रुपी साइन लिखा और हार्ट साइन लिखा उसको पैसा मिल जाएगा. दोनों ने अगर रुपी साइन लिखा तो दोनों को कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. दैट बीइंग सेड, दिस इज योर चिट. 1 piece. Your ओके. अभी पहले मुझे ये बताओ तुमने डिस्कस क्या किया.
We realized we are both sad people living in a very expensive city. So economically, we both need the money.
You decided to split it.
Yep.
You agree to that, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Be fresh.
Oh. Why you want to change,
Whatever
bro?
you want.
What is this
Change.
backstabbing
Whatever you
you're
want to.
doing? Can I also change them?
Whatever you want to do with the cheat, पर please criticize it next time. दोनों करो जो करना है. There you go.
He changed her.
This is also a rupee sign, Now that is what happens when two people are both money-minded. Got nothing out of this.
Why you did this, Sarah?
Good 1 hour.
What was this for?
Yeah, no, that's what I want to ask.
Yeah.
What was the change about, and what was it that you wrote
Second.
before? He's
You know,
not hard person.
yeah.
Let me change it to reason being.
He saw mine.
Being is something from inside was like, bro, because we agreed on splitting the money, okay, and we told our reasons also, both were genuine.
Yeah.
But I trusted the reason that she told, and I was like, okay, fine, let's go with it. But it's under say, wow, after all the traumas I've had in life, I was like, nah, something is wrong up here. So yeah.
Yeah, that's a mixture of greed and trust issues. But I'm gonna go with greed.
Something good came out of his
And
trauma.
you changed it too.
No, she added rupees only first.
Yeah.
See, also because I wrote.
You added rupees first itself.
I have enough
so you were
trauma.
right with it.
Yeah.
Tuitions.